Well, hello there. How's everybody doing? I'm just here hanging out in my new vest. Just here to remind you about some upcoming things this week, maybe next week, in pre-calculus. Hey, everybody. Don't forget, you need to have this here note card ready to go for our quiz, okay? And we're going to talk more about the quiz here in a little bit. But before we do that, you need, the first day that we come back, okay? Obviously, we wouldn't do this if it was like a remote day. But the first day that we come back, we are totally doing, hey, what you doing down there? We are totally doing this here memory quiz. Man, I don't know. I think the handwriting's going to be backwards. So it's going to be up to you to watch this video in a mirror, and then you could study that again right there. Okay, but that is our last memory quiz, right? And remember up here, I was like, hey, sometimes I do things like that just to make you feel better. I still do. Like, I could have changed that, but I didn't, just to remind you that everybody's human. And then I think it was somebody else that was so grateful to point out that, hey, what happened to number 22? So I could have changed that, but I decided not to. So the next time that we are in person, right? The next time that we're in person, we will definitely have this memory quiz. There's no, hey, I didn't have that paper to study from. Really? Because you can study it right here. Just put it in front of a mirror, and then you can do, I don't know, some type of screenshot or something will work. Or just start writing it down and you can figure it out, okay? So that will be the first day that we come back. Probably Friday. I hope Friday. I don't know. Hey, what's that hat you got on? Oh, you mean this hat? The Rocky Mountain National Park hat that I got when I was at Rocky Mountain National Park. Yeah, that hat. Pretty cool too. Pretty cool. I thought it kind of went with the vest. Yeah. All right, now let's talk about the quiz, because some of you guys are still confused about a couple things, and here is what you are confused about. Hey, Mr. Blanchard, how do you do the ones where you gotta actually use your note card? How do you figure out the values of theta? Well, hang on. Let's say that a problem, dang it, it's gonna be backwards again. No! Okay, let's say that a problem said, hey, cosine theta is a half. Figure out, would you see that? I had stuff under my fingernail because I actually went and played ball today with Mindy, and I picked up the ball and it had a whole bunch of dirt on it. Ugh. Okay, hey, how would you figure out theta there? And I said that you should do the inverse cosine. I said, all right, it's time to do the inverse cosine, but we didn't bust out the calculators. We busted out the, we busted out the note card, right? And so all we did was look in the cosine column, but our note card says that the cosine of 60, wow, okay, the cosine of 60 is a half, and the cosine of 300 is a half. Yes, it's backwards. Big whoop. I don't think there's any way to fix that. All right, so that's what our note card says. Our note card says cosine 60 is a half, cosine 300 is a half, okay? So, and I can't do that because then, hey, how come you don't do that? Because now I can see cosine there, because it's not, oh, wait. Hang on. Let me do something. Oh, dang, I can't see that. I had a great idea. Hang on. I can't see it thoroughly enough to do it. Look at that. The cosine of theta equals a half. I wrote that backwards. Sweet. What does theta equal? Wait, what does theta equal? I don't know. I'm writing them backwards now. How about that? Well, our note card says that the cosine of 60 is a half. Oh, dang. This is going to look so great. Hang on. Hope you're having a great E-day. the note card says that the cosine of 60 is a half, and it's kind of hard writing backwards, isn't it? And the cosine of 300 is a half. Look at that, I wrote it backwards. Here's the other way right there, but that's, wait. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to. But there, ooh, look at that. Okay, our note card says that. So, if I had to do the inverse cosine of a half, you would just look for a half on my note card and you find 60 and 300. Clear? Okay, so now, how's it gonna be on the quiz? Well, let me tell you. Here's how it's gonna be on the quiz. The quiz is gonna say, find the cosine of 2 theta, solve for theta. Okay, solve for theta if cosine 2 theta is a half. I know you can't read that. Hang on, I can fix it now because I'm way awesomer. You wouldn't see many teachers doing this, would you? Okay, so look at that. Cosine of 2 theta is a half, and then that means that uh-oh, I think I wrote that one backwards. I can't tell. Well, that means that 2 theta equals 60 and 300 from our note card, from our note card. And then all you have to do is divide by 2. Theta would then equal 30 and 150. I'm not going to write those down. All right, so theta would then equal 30 and 150. Got it? One more time for the, that was amazing. Okay, so one more time for this. I'm not going to write all of this backwards there, but remember, these are going to be the first day that you come back, memory quiz. So whenever we're in person again, memory quiz for you. Ooh, where's the camera at? Right there, for you. Okay, so memory quiz. And then we're gonna do a worksheet. I had the worksheet ready too. Hang on. Everybody get caught up on all their shows. Okay, don't want to show you that because that's the quiz I made. You don't want to see that. Ooh, can you pause the video now? Because I just kind of, oh, you did. Nope. Okay, so let me hide that away from the camera. Okay, this is also, so we're going to do the memory quiz the first day we come back. And then we're gonna do this worksheet. It's gonna be front and back. I haven't copied it yet. But we're gonna do that worksheet. And then the next day that we're in person, we are gonna take the real quiz. And I can't show you that. Whoa, just kind of showed that to you. All right, so anyway, don't forget our lesson about how to solve for theta today, okay? If you wanna practice some more, you can go online and you can find some problems out of the book because we are getting pretty close to being finished with this part of this book, okay? And then it gets really fun. Then we start talking about angular and linear momentum, which is kind of fun, kind of physics stuff. All right, so I say to you, good day.